Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will cook crumbed chicken. I will crumb the chicken strips. Crumbing is a basic preparation of lots of food. Today for crumbing I am doing actually a bit sweet and hot sweet chili type of crumbing, but at first we need to cut chicken breast in strips. Make sure when you are handling raw meat or fish, use separate chopping board and knife, and as soon you are finished preparing your raw meat or any fish, wash your hands, put away the chopping board and knife. When you are cutting in strips, make sure that chicken breast, one side is really thick and one side is thin. So when cutting in strips, so thicker side, the thickness I will do on the thinner part, I will keep the thickness bit more, so that at the end all the strips will look similar thickness. And when you are cutting in strips, hold the knife on your dominant hand and with the other hand hold the meat so that it does not wobble. And here you go, and cut with a deep sharp pressure with the knife. Don't jiggle, then you will end up with uneven side and it will not look nice. Then you have got I have got this many pieces. I have to put it away. For crumbing, we'll need flour, beaten egg and breadcrumbs. You can use your choice of breadcrumbs, and the flavor and taste you like, you will add in these three ingredients. Like as I said, I am making sweet chili crumbing, so I have added some sugar and lots of chili flakes here, and I have seasoned all of them. Not only that, I will season my chicken pieces with bit of salt and pepper just for some extra taste. When you are crumbing, I will show you. First, one piece put in the flour, coat it with flour all over, shake off excess flour. What will happen, this flour layer will help the beaten egg or this liquid to stick on that piece of ingredient. Shake off excess egg, put it in the breadcrumb mixture, whatever flavor you are doing, it is here, and cover it and press with your hand. And put it on a clean plate and repeat with rest of your pieces. Okay, here I have crumbed all my pieces. I will shallow fry. Shallow frying is better option than the deep frying. On the frying pan, when you are frying, please make sure flame is not coming on the side, then oil may get fire. After crumbing, any type of crumb ingredient, I mean any meat or fish, you can cover it in plastic wrap and just put it in the fridge to use later after a few hours. But when you are shallow frying, make sure on your pan, base is just the base is covered with oil, not too much oil. Shallow frying, when we do, oil usually come halfway through of the ingredient what we are cooking and flip over and cook the other side. Whenever you are frying, make sure your oil is hot enough. If oil is not hot enough, your ingredient what you are going to fry, it will absorb excess oil, what will make that food really yucky at the end, and of course it is not healthy option as well. So how will you taste it? For example, with this one, I have some breadcrumbs. If I put on the oil, I should see sizzling of breadcrumbs straight away. If it is taking longer time to sizzle, I need to give my oil a few more minutes. Okay guys, I will check again. Could you bring the camera closer please? Flour has started sizzling straight away. Now cook this one. Get a piece, shake off excess breadcrumb and gently put in the oil. You should be able to see gentle sizzling of your ingredient. If it sizzles too much, you need to put the head down. Do not put too much excess breadcrumbs in the oil, then you will end up those burnt breadcrumbs on your food. Alright guys, get the camera closer. You can see oil is coming on the halfway through of the ingredient and light golden brown crust on the side. This is the way I will know that I can flip over. Gently flip over. Each side may take roughly 3 to 4 minutes, but again do not cook on high heat. In that case, chicken pieces may happen that cooked outside but undercooked inside. And this side again, another 2-3 minutes will make golden brown color. Okay, I can see the other side is golden brown as well, but I need to make sure chicken is cooked thoroughly. To check at home, all of us don't have chicken thermometer. What we do, get a thicker piece, cut at the center, then you will see it is totally white all along. If it is white, chicken is cooked. If you see little bit of pink line or little bit pinkish anywhere, cook maybe another minute further. And put your cooked chicken strips on a paper towel to drain excess oil. Okay, here my cooked chicken strips. Remember, this crumbing is the base of lots of other foods such as nuggets, or if we are making parmigiana, so we need to make crumbing the chicken breast, cook it and complete the parmigiana. You can eat this food as a snack or put in a wrap with salad, eat it as a meal. The recipe will be in the description box, but by all means always remember, go for different flavor and taste. Flavor is a lot, or I would say to me, flavor is the most important part of any food. Hope you will enjoy this one. As I said, the recipe will be in the description box, and till next time, bye.